Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll talk about exist operator in SQL. So the first point is the exist operator is used to test for existence of any record in the subquery. Second point is the exist operator returns true if the subquery returns one or more record. Here is the syntax. Select column names from table name where exist, and then in the bracket we need to specify the subquery. Let's quickly see in SQL Server. Let's select the database, click on new query, and we have created multiple tables during the SQL Server tutorial. Just drag and drop customer table here and then write select star from customers. Just execute it. Just wanted to see how many records we have in this table. So now we can use this exist keyword. Let's do it here where exist, and then we need to specify subquery. Select, let's say I want to see the data if customer ID 1 is present. So customer then customer table, and then here we need to put the customer ID, and then let's say where condition where customer ID equal to 1. So what this query is doing, in the sub part we have used that select customer ID from the customer table where customer ID is 1. So that means, so this will select the record based on customer ID. Let's execute it first. We can see that it is returning one result, that is customer ID 1. So if this is exist as per this condition, this is exist operator I'm using here. So if it is exist, then only the result will come from the customer table. Let's execute it first and then see what is happening. So here, on the basis of this exist operator, it is checking whether this subquery is returning the result or not. Based on that, if it is true, then the data is populating from the customer table. Let's quickly change here and put the data, the ID which is not present in the table. We can see that in the customer column we don't have 10. So just select this query and execute it this time. We can see that as this is returning false, that means there is, so this is false condition, so hence there is no data populating from the customer table. So this is how we can use exist operator with subquery. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.